Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Kia Sorento. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.